Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna discuss about if-else, if-else-if, and nested if-else. In programming, control structure like if-else, if-else, if, and nested or ladder if-else plays a crucial role in decision making. Each has its own distinct usage based on the complexity of the condition. Let's analyze this structure. Simple if-else. This is the most basic control structure. It checks a single condition and based on whether the condition is true or false, it executes one of two possible blocks of code. Here the structure. If condition, this part here evaluates to be true, and else this part here evaluates to be false. In programming, the if-else structure is the simplest decision-making tool, allowing a binary choice between two outcomes based on the condition. If the condition is true, one block of code is executed, and if false, another block is executed. This structure is ideal for straightforward scenarios where there are only two possible outcomes, making it easy to implement and understand. However, when more complex conditions arise or when there are multiple outcomes, relying solely on if-else can become inefficient and cumbersome as it is not designed to handle more than two possibilities effectively. Let's go for if-else-if. The if-else-if structure is an extension of simple if-else. It allows multiple conditions to be evaluated sequentially. When one condition is true, its corresponding block is executed and the rest are ignored. Here the structure and example. The first condition checks if the age is less than 13. If true, it prints you are a child. If the first condition is false, the second condition checks if the age is between 13 and 19. If true, it prints you are a teenager. If neither of the previous condition is true, the third condition checks if the age is between 20 and 59. If true, it prints you are an adult. If none of the previous conditions are met, the else block handles the case where the age is 60 or older, printing you are a senior citizen. And here the analysis. The if-else structure extends the basic if-else by allowing multiple conditions to be checked sequentially. Each condition is evaluated in order, and once a true condition is found, its corresponding code block is executed, and the rest are ignored. This structure is well suited for situations where multiple mutually exclusive conditions must be handled, such as assigning age based on number range or selecting an action in a decision-making process. However, as a number of conditions increase, this approach can lead to reduced reliability and maintainability of the code, especially when the logic becomes more intricate. The last one is nested if-else. A nested if-else structure is when an if-else or if-else if block exists inside another if-else if block. This is useful for complex decision-making scenarios where one condition leads to another conditional check. Here the structure and example of nested if-else. The outer if-else checks whether the number is positive, negative, or zero. If the number is greater than 0, another if-else block checks whether it is even or odd. If the number is less than 0, it also checks if the number is even or odd using a nested if-else. If the number is exactly 0, the outer else prints the number is 0 without further checking whether it's even or odd, since 0 is neither. The nested if-else structure introduces a hierarchical form of decision making where one if-else block is placed inside another. This allows for more complex decision trees where certain decisions depend on previous one. Nested if-else is useful when the outcome of one condition leads to another conditional check, such as when multiple layers of logic are required. However, as the nesting depends, the code can become more difficult to follow and maintain. Excessive nesting can also impact performance as each layer adds complexity to the flow of the program. Choosing nested if-else is appropriate when dealing with dependent condition, but it should be used.